Hey guys, are you tired of slow speed of your Samsung Galaxy A23? If yes, then try this trick to make it fast. Yes, I am serious. Just go to settings, scroll down to end, and here go to about phone. And now go to software information. Here tap the build number twice for 5 times and then give your password or PIN. And now developer options enabled. Go back to settings, scroll down to end, and here you will see developer options. Just go to it and here scroll a bit until you see Windows animation scale, transition animation scale, and the animator duration scale. Just change all these from 1x to 0.5x, and that's it. Let's go to home and immediately you will feel the difference in speed. So that's how you can make your Samsung Galaxy A23 feel faster. If you found this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you in next video. Take care. Signing off.